Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's my first Pride look of this year. It's going to be this rainbow waterfall, and we are recreating makeup WLP. I'll go ahead and link her down below. First, starting out with the ABH primer and patting that all over the eye and spreading it out with my finger. Going ahead and zooming this in so you guys can see a little bit better. For this look, we're going to be using the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette for all the colors except orange. We're missing an orange in this, so we're going to take the James Charles palette for that. Starting out with this pink color right here, we are dabbing that right in the inner corner. And we're going to make sort of an arch circular shape with this. So I'm going ahead and patting it in, and then with another brush I'm blending that up and around. Taking the red color from the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette, I'm just laying this down kind of in an arch. I'm taking the orange again from the James Charles palette. I wasn't really loving how this is looking. It kind of looked like it was all blended together, so I decided to take the ABH eye primer and cut out sort of a rainbow shape. This is like an arch upward, so you're just going to take your concealer brush and your ABH primer and kind of carve out a little circle, like a half circle kind of. Alright, so now that that is done, we're going to go ahead and take the colors again, starting out with the red to start the rainbow, and then laying down the orange. Next, we're just taking the yellow from the same palette and patting that in. Next, I'm taking the green color from the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette, and then some blue, and ending it off with purple. So I'm going to close everything off again with the pink, and then blend that same pink upward at the top of the rainbow. So now that all the colors are laid down, I am going back over the colors to just intensify the brightness and vibrancy of all the colors, just fix it up a little, you know? Alright, so my camera turned off, but I basically did what I did on the top on the bottom lash line. Started with the pink on the inner and outer corners, and then just laid down all the colors in a straight instead of an arch this time. And right now you can see me just intensifying the colors and blending them out, touching up the top pink above the rainbow. Taking the IMAGIC palette, I'm using the white color and a circular synthetic concealer brush, and using just the shape of the brush, I'm just stamping on this cream color to form some little clouds. It's really simple. I literally just use the shape of the brush, so make sure that you use something that already has circles, and just stamp that color on and you'll have some clouds. So now I'm just making some more of those clouds on the bottom half of the rainbow. Next, I'm taking Super Beauty's Hydra Liner in the shade Space Panda, and I'm using this to make little dots all over the clouds. I don't remember if that's in the reference photo, but I think it looks really, really cute. Next, I'm just curling my lashes, applying some liner. This is the ABH liquid liner, and I'm just making a little line for my eyelashes. And I'm using some mascara. This is the Colossal Cat Eye Mascara. Now for the other eye, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer again. Pat that all over my eye and blend it out. Then I'm taking the same pink color from the other side and I'm just patting that out and blending it out. This is all I'm doing for this other eye. Just make sure it's really blended. Then I'm ending this eye using the same steps, curling my lashes, applying some mascara and some eyeliner to prep for my false eyelashes. So then I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and I'm going to be using this in the inner corner and around my face to apply these Gypsy Shrine iridescent stars. So I'm just applying those in the inner corner and then all throughout the clouds. So for the stars around the face, I'm just taking some of that glitter glue and putting a little dot and picking up the star and placing it right on that glue dot. Next, I'm finishing up the eyes by applying some lashes. These are Lash Dream lashes in the style TEASE. Unfortunately, my code does not work anymore, but I really love these lashes, so I'm using these today, and this made the look. I love the way this eye came out. Everything looks amazing. So for the under eye, I'm taking my pink again in the inner corner and the outer corner, and then I'm just going to lay all the rainbow down in a straight line, starting from red and then moving to orange, yellow, green, blue, and then ending on that purple. And there will be a little bit of space for the pink to close everything off with. And I'm just doing my left side, your right, applying those stars all over the face, just like the other side. Finishing this side with some clouds, using the same technique as the other side. I also did do the little dots, white dots under the rainbow on this side. I also wanted to mention that in all my Pride videos, linked down below is the Trevor Project, which is a resource to support the LGBT community. There is also a hotline if you are ever in crisis. You guys can go ahead and call that number. Link to donate will be down below. So this is a organization that is really special to me, so I just wanted to go ahead and mention that. So that is everything for the eyes and face portion. Next for the lips, I'm just taking my MAC Spice lip liner and I'm just lining my lips with that, and then applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Peachy. And that is everything for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Happy Pride to my LGBTQ plus brothers and sisters, my community. I love you guys so much. This year we're celebrating Pride indoors, which is a little weird, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. Follow me on Instagram to see pictures of all my looks. The Trevor project will be linked down below as the first link. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Live with pride. Bye everyone.